what's up guys? Today I have a new slime and you want to test it out. And look at a bag, we can make slime of our own. Now let's open it. I'll take a picture because my mom posts a picture every day. She's kind of silly. Whoa! Okay, we got this already. Guys, there's a different slime. See? Are you okay? Ooh. So how do you open it? Guys!
What's that? It's a kinetic sand?
We need to find out. Okay, guys, here on this one is a candy, and one is a bag of sand. I don't know what that is. Okay, put it here. I love this. Woo! Coffee. You want to drink? No, I'll splash on you. Shoo! Okay, now let's put this here. And now let's do the milk. Whoa, right there, this is like strawberry milk in the TV. Ooh, strawberry. Yeah, when we have strawberry and milk. Oh yeah, some decorations for strawberries.
Oh, so let's see. This is how it works. Pour 1 pack of scented slime powder into the shaker. Fill with water to the line. Secure the lid. Shake quickly for 30 seconds.
Guys,
I got it.
Guys, I opened the popcorn. Crunch, munch. And we have some bag of beans. And we have some bag of sand, yellow sand. Later we're gonna put water there. Oh, sorry, little gum. Ooh.
Gumball machine.
Hey guys, we are opening this. Ooh, the brown bag. Ooh. Okay, we have some bubble gums. I hope they're not getting Okay, now the last one, Cocoa break. Oh no, I can't open it, guys. The last one. I can't open it, guys. Okay, guys, I open it. Ooh, some purples. Wait, this is kind of like sand. Ooh. And this is like, it can be a bubble. Okay. Okay, guys, my mom's gonna let me spill water in because I don't know how to spill water and I don't see that on the line. So my mom's gonna spill it in, guys. I'm so happy to do this. Okay. I say, okay. Mom, can you get that and see the ingredients? That's putting really well. Well, when I like when I told them like that. So, thank you, Mom. Come in. Oh.
Okay, now you shake it.
You need to be really tight.
Really tight.
Yeah, really tight.
Then you shake it. Oh, oops. Hey, take the towel. Get on the paper. Hey, you let me. Getting thicker.
What can I see?
Okay, now your turn.
Is it enough?
Until you don't hear anything.
I don't hear. I don't hear. Wait, can I see your
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh boy. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. but it's not good enough. But oh, well, we still need to put sparkle. Guys, that was really handy to me, guys. Let's do this. I'm gonna pop it. Oh, no way! Whoa. Wait, I think it's turning to slime. Yeah. He's turning to slime, guys! Okay, we need to mix it up like this, right? That can be slime. Let's keep going on our slime. Ooh. Okay, guys. Boo, guys. I'm Hello Kitty. Ha ha. Look at this. Okay, we need to wait for 5 minutes. I wait a little bit, kind of long. Is that enough so I can play in there?
Or you can make another one.
So we can
And yeah.
yeah, let's put this in so wait.
They need to rest in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Alright, so now which one you like?
They're great. I kind of like this one a bit. Okay, first we need to put water. Yeah,
You see the line?
This smells like jelly fruit grape. Like I eat it. Like we make a video on TikTok. Okay.
I stir it.
And so sticks. It's kind of good. Okay, we're just gonna put it like so easier and shake it. Okay, now I can open the slime because my mom said it's 5 minutes. I think it's still too sticky.
Maybe they're not rest enough.
Yeah, they're still waking up because they're still
Sticky.
yes. I hope they don't sleep really long.
Alright, I think this one good too. Yeah. They misses really well and they need a rest. Yes.
Mommy, can I use this to make up? Okay. First, guys, we need to pick it out. This one because I can see is the slime good or no. Okay. It's good. Ooh, guys, look.
And stir it with a pencil.
Okay. A little bit, okay? The fish is getting out of time. just shake it. All the paper towels.
Show to the camera. How it look?
It look kind of sick.
Right. Oh, don't open. Don't open. Don't open. Bless you.
Okay, we need to wait this, okay? Let's make another one. Okay, actually you like coffee, Mom, so I'm gonna make this for you.
That's a hot chocolate, not coffee.
Mommy, do you know I drink this at school and I like it a little bit?
Yeah. A little bit. Is that hot? Is it hot? It's warm? Wow, I'm glad you like it. That's my favorite too.
Hot cocoa, that's...
You still have it in school right now?
I accidentally spilled.
Too much?
Oh yeah, that's
Carefully. Ooh, don't smell it. I know. It's
Mommy, if you smell it a little bit far,
Yeah.
it's like hot cocoa.
Yeah. The scented slime. Close tight
Really tight.
until you hear the click.
Okay, I think this is hard, but we do leaves here.
Ooh, hold it little. Yeah. You forgot to stir it. Oh.
Can you shake it?
Let's check with this one.
Yeah, it's kind of long now. Whoa, it's
Is-
kind of. We need to
Is it
wait-
better?
Yeah, a little bit. We need to wait it till morning.
Morning?
Yeah.
That's too long.
Getting kind of messy.
Very messy.
Okay, I want it.
So this one will have a scent like popcorn. And this one will have the scent, ice cream scent.
It's kind of gross. Ew. This is like green super bubble gums. Ew. But this is it, Mom, so we can play with it. We need to wait all of these slimes to get to morning because this is really long to do, right? Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, I saw pop a bubble, guys. Look.
Then what's go with that? What kind of
Green.
ingredient go with that?
We need to wait for it. Don't get it. How are you?
Like,
Yeah.
you make a mess. I don't like things at all.
Do you want to eat? Oh my god, it smells so cocoa.
You.
I wish it had some like cocoa. Mix it up.
I think that one need a red. Okay, move on to another one. The ice cream and the popcorn.
I'm done with this. Just get. Just pick this up for you. Okay, 4 days so we need to take a break, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to see this one. Is it going well? A little bit.
Still sticky. Oh. Ooh. Do you want me to make the popcorn with you?
Yeah. Okay, those are the white popcorn. Wait, we have white popcorn. No, mommy, you should eat.
No.
One
I'm not
chance?
looking good right now.
Oh, yeah. I'm really
Alright, so let's make popcorn slime.
Wait.
Yeah. To see the line?
Yeah, I
Find
do.
the line.
Not yet.
Do like this. Do like this.
Wait, I'm going this way. Wait, I got it.
Gently.
Please go back. Wait, can I see?
Stir it. Stir it with a pencil. It smells popcorn. I want to go to the movie theater to get some popcorn.
I smell like real popcorn outside too, Frozen 2.
Yeah.
Guys, raise your hand if you watch Frozen 2 before, guys. Raise your hand.
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below. Ew, this is like baby food. Look. This is kind of like baby food.
Spill. Okay. Okay, now you shake the popcorn. I'll check with the milk.
Okay. It's gonna go better. Tough.
Better. Oh yeah, it's not sticky anymore.
But we need to wait a little bit more. A little bit more.
Get it dry up more.
Oh, rock and roll! Rock and roll. Then my Saturday, huh?
No, Friday. Oh, I think this one's so good. It's not sticky anymore.
Ew, this-
You don't like the popcorn smell?
When I stick, it's kind of gross.
Oh my god. This is the messy ever.
No, the messiest slime ever. What?
It smells weird.
One more. Làm như đây nó hơi hơi gross.
Yeah. Check it out. All 3 of them. This one look good? Yeah, they look good. Not sticky.
Any more?
Check out the grape. Oh, it smells great.
Gravy.
Yeah, this one all good too. Okay. Leave it for 5 minutes. And oh, look at that. Ah. Okay, and the last one is
Ice cream.
ice cream.
A little bit more. A little bit.
Right now, close the lid.
I don't like this ice cream strawberry. It's kind of sticky. All the ice cream is kind of sticky. Right, Mama? Okay, let's see the milk is done. Oh, it's actually done. Look at it. We just put it on night and morning. That's enough. That's it.
All right.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you like this channel and thumbs up if you like this video, and click the bell button and raise your hand if you like any of those. Tell me and